Hola guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome as well. Today I have a Goodwill haul. It's a small one, but at the same time I have this thing with Goodwill lately and drifting stuff. I need to stop watching like vintage home decor drifting decorate videos because this girl has a thing with Goodwill now. I love drifting, I always have, I always will, but lately I've just been looking for pieces, unique pieces for my home. So I'm going to share a few things that I found, and then I can take you inside my house. I'm in my driveway. I can take you inside my house and show you how I use these pieces. You know, I'm going to clean them up and put them out. So let me see. The first piece I'm going to show you guys, super heavy. Super heavy. And the lady was nice enough to wrap it up for me. I just don't want my husband to come out and see me doing a haul in the car. It's this piece right here. I don't know what exactly this is made out of. I mean, this was $3.99, but it is so freaking heavy, guys. So heavy. I don't know what they're called in English, but I can picture my mom with like one of those things to, like, you know, smash like garlic or whatever seasoning, cilantro and all that stuff, and put it in her food. Oh, that dragonfly is so pretty. Anyways, but I grabbed it. I'm gonna clean it up, and I think it'll look super beautiful to put a candle in it. And it'll be nice to make my own candle, but I know we're not gonna go there, so yeah. But I'm gonna try to put a candle in here. Hopefully it fits nicely. And everybody has been decorating with like more of the copper little tiny little frying pans and stuff. I didn't find one, but I found one that looks a little like it's seen better days, but I still love and enjoy that this dress look like, you know, rustic look. And this was only 99 cents. And hopefully if I have a hook, I think I'm gonna put it on my backsplash with a little hook there. Or I also have this little rod thing with little hooks as well from IKEA. I might just hang it there in my kitchen, and he was only 99 cents. So he's super heavy. And I also got, I don't have one of these, what are these called, guys? Rolling pins? I don't know. I don't bake, I don't do that. I mean, from the box, you know, something quick for the kids, but I'm not no Betty Crocker. So, but I have all light wood. I would like darker wood, but I don't find it, not even at Marshall's and stuff like that. We'll have to probably go to Hobby Lobby. And do I want to spend that kind of money? I don't know. It's a little hot in here, guys. I live in Florida, so it's hot, and I have the AC off because I'm trying to make this video. This was $3.99, but I think it was half off. I think it came out to $2, so because I saw her doing some stuff, and then my total went down. So I think he was $2, and he's in great conditions. I'm just gonna put him with my wooden spoons because I've been wanting to do that, and I mean, I find them sometimes and then I put them back. This time I just gave in, and I bought it. But yeah, he was in great shape, so I got him. Then the next thing I got was this cute vase that I left. Oh my god, guys, I left this beautiful like copper mirror tray, like a soft gold copper. I can't explain it. It was heavy, and there was two of them with a mirror, and I left it yesterday, and I went back today, and I was hunting. I mean, sometimes you just make mistakes. I was like, I should have known better not to leave those behind. I wanted just one so I can put it on my entryway table, and then put a nice candle. I left it and I couldn't find it, so I'm hoping I come across one again. But then I found this beautiful, I don't know, I'm into these blues and all that stuff, and he was $2.99. I'm gonna clean this stuff because some of this stuff, you see this? I don't know how I can remove that stuff without messing it up, but who cares? It gives it character. I'm gonna clean it as much as I can, put some floral, some, you know, and use it probably by my kitchen little, I don't know what you call that I have by my coffee area. And then I think this is my last bag, and then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do inside. The lady was throwing everything in there, and I'm like, can you please wrap it for me, please? Because she was throwing everything in one bag, and everything I have is like ceramic, glass, you know. So then I found him for $2.99. Like I said, I'm into this blue stuff right now. And let's see if he's in good shape, because they tape everything. Oh my god, guys. And then to take this tape out, but he looks in good shape. I'll probably put this on top of my refrigerator by my little terracotta planter with my greenery and all that stuff. With the little buddy here, the little sister, the little brother, I don't know who he is. But I don't know nothing about this stuff. I just see people doing it. I'm like, oh my god, that looks so beautiful. And then I got the little thing that looks like a little creamer, but I'm sure it's not, to go with it. And this was $1.99. This sun is great. And then I see everybody hauling like the little planter, not little, the planter from like Walmart and all that stuff's like $5, $6, and it's really pretty. I found something very similar for $3.99 at the Goodwill. He needs to be cleaned big time. Big time. I think he was half off too. I think yellow was half off. I don't know. I'm thinking he was probably $2. But he needs some cleaning. But I'm gonna put my plant, my fake plant in there, and show you guys. But yeah, guys, that's my little tiny. I have, oh, my nail. I have other stuff, but it's like clothes and sandals and stuff like that. I am gonna share that in my channel, Home with Jay. Well, here, because I think I'm gonna do like weekends, like get ready with me and stuff like that there, until I finally decide if I'm gonna open another channel. Because having 2 channels is hard, imagine 3. I was gonna do a channel with Looks with Jay, so I don't know if I'm still gonna do that. If you guys are following me from my channel where I do the Dollar Tree hauls and all that stuff, Frugal J, and if you're interested in me starting something like that, let me know. Do you mind if I do it in this channel? I don't know, guys, let me know. I'm trying to clean this mess because I spilled my coffee earlier, and I did pretty bad on my water today, so when I get home I'm gonna start drinking away. But yeah, guys, let me show you how I use these items. Okay, so let's go, guys, come on. Guys, are you coming? Come on, let's go.
Tetris is the most beautiful thing I've